If you are a parent of a young kid or an educator who is always looking for fun and educational activities to keep the kids engaged, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you 3 fantastic activities using AI that are tailored for kids with different interests. For example, the artist, the storyteller, and the little thinker who is always asking, why? And at the end of the video, I'll also share which of these 3 activities that my kids love the most, so make sure to watch till the end. First, let's spark some creativity for the kids who love coloring, drawing, and getting hands-on with art supplies. We're going to use AI to generate custom coloring pages that are unique to the child's interest, or even the family background and culture. For example, I am from Bangladesh, so I asked an AI to generate an image of the Dhaka Shohid Minar specifically as a coloring page. Look at that! It created this beautiful image perfect for coloring. And here is a quick tip. You can also ask the AI to generate a colorful version of the image. That gives a reference to the kid when they are bringing their own page to life. To get the best result, when you're prompting, make sure to include phrases like coloring page, black and white line art, or simple outlines for kids. Okay, next for our imaginative kid, the born storyteller who loves making up stories. I'll show you how you and the kids can join together to create wonderful illustrated storybook from scratch. For this, I'll use Adobe Firefly and Canva. I have provided the links to these tools in the description below. Here is how it works. First, let the child tell you the story, and then break that story down into key scenes. Next, use an AI image generator like Adobe Firefly to create illustrations for each of those scenes. Once you have your images, go to Canva and place the images on each slide, and then type or paste the corresponding part of the story over or under the image. And just like that, you have a beautifully illustrated digital storybook. If you have multiple kids, they can take turns in adding lines to the story or creating images. It becomes a wonderful group activity. Now, if you want, you can print the slide and staple them together and give it to the kids. They will love holding a book that they all work together to create. Now for our little investigator, the deep thinker who is always asking questions and wondering how things work. Suppose a kid just learned about planets and is fascinated by how they move. Instead of just searching YouTube and hoping for the right clip without ads, you can ask an AI to demonstrate it. For this, I used Claude, another AI tool. I asked, create an animation of all 8 planets rotating around the sun in our solar system. Add labels on the planets and include a button to control the animation. And check this out! It generated a simple, clear animation showing the planets orbiting the sun. This is brilliant for demonstrating things like the different sizes and speed of the planets, their relative distances from the sun, why some planets are hotter or colder, and many other interesting observations. The beauty is that all this is personalized, ad-free, and directly answers the children's curiosity. It's an awesome way to make abstract science concepts easy and fun to understand. Now, for the big reveal. I tried all 3 of these activities with 2 of my kids. They enjoyed all of them, but the one that they really loved was creating their own storybook. They loved taking turns on crafting the story and seeing their ideas turn into illustrations. I hope this has been helpful. AI is a powerful tool, and when used thoughtfully, it can open up amazing possibilities for learning and creativity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more ideas about AI, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.